All right, so I'm looking. I mean, everything in the crypto complex is pulling back. That's interesting. I mean, why after Jackson Hole is everything pulling back? Because I think a lot of people thought it'd be risk on. Everybody's ready to kind of take those riskier bets.
You know, and it may still be. So I think what we're seeing over the weekend is a lot of liquidations that were triggered. The price of ETH just ran up so high so quickly. Just in the last 24 hours, I think we've seen more than $200 million in long liquidations in Bitcoin, more than $100 million for ETH, which is a lot. So just a lot of traders leveraging their long positions. You saw that price go up and it triggered some forced selling. But that said, you know, it really has been an exciting weekend. ETH hit an all-time high for the first time on Friday after that speech. It hit another one again on Sunday. And that $4,000 level, Frank, has really been difficult for ETH to test. It has tested it several times over the last few years. The last time it hit an all-time high was 2021, and every time it reaches that mark, it's never really able to meaningfully break it. So I think, you know, the TLDR here is, you know, it's pulled back, but it's still at 4,600, which is still kind of a good spot for it to be.
Right, but I mean, in all fairness, look, year to date, it's up over 37%.
Yeah, exactly.
So relatively, this isn't that big of a pullback, and we all know that cryptocurrency is very volatile. So I think the question for anybody that's a crypto investor, either that already holds Ether or is looking to get into it, or ETH, as you call it, what were the factors that led to that rally to its most recent all-time high in recent weeks? And is that story still intact?
Yes, is the simple answer. So I think what you saw Friday and through the weekend really was, you know, rocketing with the broader market after that Jackson Hole speech. That said, we've been watching this for 3 months. There is a lot of support behind ETH that finally got it through that $4,000 level. It's almost $5,000 on Friday. You know, the explosion in interest in stablecoins and tokenization of real-world assets, the regulatory tailwinds, not just getting stablecoin legislation. Most stablecoins run on Ethereum, on the Ethereum network, but we're also getting market structure legislation, probably at least some progress there later this year, and just a lot of the you know, buy-in from this new cohort of corporate companies, like what we talked about last time, Tom Lee's Bitmine Immersion, which is also backed by Peter Thiel, and all of these companies that are kind of focused on accumulating Ether in a really big way, pushing the price up and up and up. And we see, you know, even just from the last week, the last 2 days, Bitcoin ETFs seeing net outflows, while ETH ETFs still seeing inflows. So a lot of institutional support.